Okay, so it's the next day, so let's have a wee look at the progress it's made. So as you can see, we've got most of the panel sanded all the way down, all the paint off, all the primer off, all clear off, all that jazz. Nose cone, belly pan, both side fairings. So the only thing left is the tail piece and the tank. Not too bad for one day's progress, considering there was a lot of paint on it. So yeah, hopefully by the end of today we can get the paint off this one. Not sure when we're going to touch the tank, but at a minimum, hopefully we can get that one done.
I think the ones on the other side are even worse. Wait, you want to take it outside and have a look?
No.
Doesn't matter. Doesn't matter. It's all going to have to be sanded and resprayed again anyway.
This one's looking good.
Whew. Those are all holes in the glass. Look at it there.
On the light hole as well, look at that. I suppose the rear light will cover most of that, to be fair.
Yeah, I'm not worried. No, well, it's got to be
some of it.
Yeah.
Sheesh.
Terrible, isn't it?
Okay, so a quick update on progress. We started the filling process on the rear tail. So now it's a case of sanding it down, refilling, sanding, refilling, until it's nice and smooth. It's going to take a very long time because this one is a bit of a mess. So yeah, this is sort of what it looks like at the moment on the pieces that do need smoothing. So yeah, all of these we have to sand down, make really nice and smooth. Here's a dog. Yeah, we're using some of this easy sand stuff. Ultralight, so that makes the process a little bit quicker. So yeah, this is probably the worst panel. Second worst are the actual fairings themselves, so we'll move on to them next. Nose cone's not too bad, got a little bit, but ultimately it's actually come out really well so far. So yeah, bit of a test fit at the moment, and it's looking good.